What is Active Directory Domain Services? Active Directory Domain Services is a server service for security and permissions in a Windows environment. It is essentially a database and provides centralized control of resources on the network. A domain is a subnetwork made up of a group of clients and servers under the control of one central security database. Within a domain, users authenticate once to a centralized server known as a domain controller, rather than repeatedly authenticating to individual servers and services. Individual servers and services accept the user based on the approval of the domain controller. A domain controller is a server that responds to security authentication requests within a Windows Server domain. It is a server on a Microsoft Windows or Windows NT network that is responsible for allowing hosts to access to Windows domain resources. A domain controller is the centerpiece of the Windows Active Directory service. It authenticates users, stores users' account information, and enforces security policy for a Windows domain. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate the installation of Active Directory. I'm going to go to Start, Server Manager. I'm going to go to Roles. And I'm going to add roles. I'm going to click Next and to highlight Active Directory Domain Services. Click Next. After you install Active Directory Domain Services, you can type DC Promo to make the server a fully functional domain controller. So I'm going to click Install now. Active Directory is now installed. Now I can double click on this close wizard to launch the DC Promo, but I'm going to close. I'm going to go to Start, and in the search bar I'm going to type DC Promo and press Enter. Now I'm going to run the DC Promo installation wizard. Click Next. Click Next. I'm going to create a new domain in a new forest. Click Next. I'm going to make the domain, type in a domain name. I'm going to name this testlab.com. Click Next. Now the functional level. If I choose 2008, if I have any servers running 2003 or 2000, it would not be able to communicate. So I'm going to leave this as 2000. We'll click Next. We'll click Next. This is some additional options that need to be installed. DNS server. So I'm going to click Next. And I'm going to click Yes. I'm going to leave everything as default, and I'm going to put in a password. Password requirements is uppercase, one uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, a number, and a special character. Okay, the installation is complete. I'm going to click Finish. It will require a reboot, so I'm going to restart now.